Hey guys, see Priyanka Limaya here. In this video, we'll see about technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So, technical analysis and fundamental analysis, these are two schools of thought when approaching stock market. And both these methods are very different from each other. We'll start with fundamental analysis first.
So, fundamental analysis mainly focuses on deriving the intrinsic value of the company. Broadly, this method is used to find long term investment opportunities. As the name implies, fundamental analysis is focused on the fundamentals of the company. The fundamental analysts study the balance sheet and profit and loss statements to understand the financial position of the company. They study the cash flow statements to understand the money flow, as in how and from where is the money coming in and going out of the company. Now, all these factors are important as they help us to understand the financial health of the company. Okay, if I ask you, will you buy Rotten Tomatoes free of cost or at negligible cost? The answer would be definitely no, right? So the same logic applies in investing. We will not invest in a company which is not financially sound, even though the company or the stock is available at a cheap price. So the financial health plays a very important role. The company has to be financially sound for us to invest in it. Now, along with these quantitative factors, other qualitative factors are also important. The fundamental analysts study various qualitative factors like the management policies, the change in management, peer competitors, government regulations, interest rate changes, foreign policies that are affecting the company, the dollar rate. There are numerous macroeconomic factors that affect the company. So all these qualitative factors are also taken into account.
Whereas technical analysis is purely based on price. There's a famous saying among the Gujarati traders, which is Bhav Bhagwan Che, and this is absolutely true. Technical analysts believe in the same. Price is the king. Price is the main prime thing which needs to be focused on in technical analysis. In technical analysis, there are charts and chart patterns which are based on price, completely based on price. So, in fundamental analysis, we use certain financial ratios, valuation models to derive at the intrinsic value of the company. And on deriving at the intrinsic value of the company, we compare it with the actual market price and then analyze it to understand whether the company is overvalued or undervalued. Now, generally, the thumb rule is if the company, like if the stock is overvalued, depending upon how overvalued it is, we will hold the stock or sell the stock. And if the stock is undervalued, we'll purchase the stock. And in technical analysis, the past prices are used to forecast the future one. In technical analysis, we have several chart patterns, we have several indicators, we have numerous theories and numerous concepts. Now, all these they take into account the past prices and the present price to forecast the future one. So, the main differentiating point between fundamental analysis and technical analysis is the value and price. Fundamental analysis is focused on the value, and technical analysis is focused on the price. As I said, in fundamental analysis, we are concerned about whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued, the value of the stock. And in technical analysis, we are not concerned about whether it is overvalued or undervalued. We are concerned only about the price. Now, it might happen that according to fundamental analysis, a stock is overvalued. But if the stock fits in the system put up by a technical analyst, if it fits correctly, he'll purchase the stock even though it is overvalued as per fundamental analysis. So, this is the main differentiating point between fundamental and technical analysis. The second main differentiating point between the two is the period of investment. When it comes to the period of investing, fundamental analysis it is definitely more useful for longer term periods, say which are more than 2 to 3 years, and technical analysis is definitely more useful for shorter term periods, say up to a year or two. Now, it's not the case that technical analysis can't be used for longer term and fundamental analysis can't be used for shorter term. Say if my time horizon for an investment is up to say 3 years, then the success rate of fundamental analysis would definitely be more than the technical analysis. And if my time horizon is say maybe 6 months, 1 year, then technical analysis, the success rate of technical analysis would probably be more than fundamental analysis. So usually the main question that pop-ups is which one is better. So there are many people who have made lot of money purely on fundamental analysis, and then there are many people who have made lot of money purely on technical analysis. And likewise there are many people who have combined both and made lot of money. So it depends upon your objective of making money. It also depends upon what suits you more. It also depends upon which method do you find more intriguing. Neither of the method is very difficult, but both of these methods, like there is a huge and vast and thorough study involved in both of these methods. So you will have to find out for yourself which method do you find more interesting and which suits you more. What do I prefer? So during the chartered accountancy course, I understood the fundamentals of the company. So I was learning the fundamental analysis and simultaneously I was learning technical analysis as well. So I felt after a certain point that technical analysis suits me more. So I trade and invest based on technical analysis which is backed by fundamental analysis. So you will have to find out for yourself which suits you more and like trade according to your need and according to your suitability. So I hope I could differentiate and tell you about what fundamental and technical analysis is. If you have liked my video, do click the like button down there